A cellular appendix vermiform mucinous neoplasm, a rare clinical entity. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Neoplasms of the appendix are infrequent and either asymptomatic or present with non-specific symptoms, rendering their diagnosis extremely difficult. In female patients, these tumors are frequently misdiagnosed as gynecologic disorders, particularly when patients complain of right iliac fossa pain. Because of their rarity and absence of distinctive clinical characteristics, appendiceal tumors are not considered in the differential diagnosis by gynecologists during the evaluation of patients with pelvic masses. This case report describes a 56-year-old female patient with a mass in the right lower pelvis that was initially presumed to be of ovarian nature according to preoperative imaging. Upon exploratory laparotomy, however, the uterus and adnexia were found to be macroscopically normal. The mass was subsequently discovered to be of appendiceal origin growing into the right adnexia's anatomical territory and closely associated with the atrophic right ovary. Appendix was resected intact and histopathology confirmed the tumor made up of a cellular mucin. This case emphasizes the difficulty in preoperative diagnosis of appendiceal mucoceles, which are typically incidental radiologic findings and are typically diagnosed only at the time of surgery. The dilemma in diagnosis mandates that gynecologists and surgeons must be more vigilant to consider appendiceal pathology in the context of unexplained right lower quadrant or pelvic masses. Introduction. Appendiceal neoplasms are rare growths that occur in the appendix, a small tube-like structure connected to the large intestine. These tumors can be benign or malignant, with the most common being carcinoid tumors. While most appendiceal tumors are discovered incidentally during surgeries for other conditions, they often present with symptoms similar to appendicitis, making it hard to diagnose them beforehand. Some benign tumors, such as adenomas, can develop into cancer over time, which is why careful examination is essential. Malignant tumors in the appendix are very rare, representing a small fraction of all gastrointestinal cancers. Certain risk factors, such as older age, especially patients over 50, and unusual pain patterns, can increase suspicion for an appendiceal tumor. Imaging techniques like CT scans, MRI, and PET scans can sometimes help identify these tumors, but a final diagnosis often requires a biopsy after surgery. This chapter highlights the challenges of diagnosing and treating an acellular mucinous neoplasm in the appendix. Focusing on a case involving a 56-year-old woman and underscores the need for careful monitoring and management of these uncommon tumors. Conclusion. Malignant tumors in the appendix are rare and often found accidentally during appendectomy surgeries for acute appendicitis, with carcinoid tumors being the most common. For women, a thorough medical, gynecological, and ultrasound examination is crucial for early detection of appendix tumors. Treatment after surgery varies based on the tumor's size, type, and location, as well as whether the cancer has spread. Doctors should be vigilant when treating unexplained pain in the lower right abdomen, especially in cases that recur. Ongoing monitoring is important for patients who have localized appendix tumors to prevent further complications. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.